Just a quick tip about storing wills in New York. New York is very strict with regard to which wills will be accepted for probate, and therefore only originals will be accepted for the court process of probate in New York. So you must have your original will presented that is not unstapled, not written in the margins. For example, if you intend to change it, you have to formally either draft a new will, which is recommended, or form what is called a codicil. So be careful with how you store your will, because again, the original does have to be presented. And a tip for you that have your wills at home, perhaps it's better for the attorney who drafted it to keep it. And the reason for that is that New York presumes that when the testator has the will in their possession and it's not found at the time of their passing, that they actually intended to revoke the will, and that presumption has to be rebutted in court. To avoid that, it is better if the will is not located, if it was in the possession of someone else, for example, the attorney draftsman. Therefore, it is better oftentimes not to store your original will in your possession. And certainly do not keep it in your safe deposit box, because the safe deposit box is sealed by court order by the bank when you pass away, and nobody has access to it, including a joint owner, once the bank understands that you have passed away. Sometimes it's better to keep it in a dry place at home, for example, in a Ziploc bag in your freezer, because oftentimes they remain, the wills that is, remain completely unharmed in the event of an ordinary house fire. So those are just some quick tips and advice about how to store your wills. Very different from other legal documents such as powers of attorney and healthcare proxies. Have a wonderful day.